Alrighty. Alrighty. Looking at some pre-market stuff here on SPY. 3 minute. A couple more charts open up. Morning, everybody. All right, so Upstart popped a lot. Roblox fell a lot. Spy popped initially and is retracing currently. Moderna coming off of highs. So, oh, and Space slash Spice Girls also coming off of the highs as well. All right. So we're gonna watch and see what the chart kind of gives us. We do have an area of a double bottom potentially on Space. It kind of looks like everything's gonna punch lower into the open, which I love. So we're going to be paying close attention to all of these companies this morning. Let me get my broker up. All right, Space going even lower in pre-market here. All right, Space, we don't want to see fall below this 1036 point. Okay. SPY definitely could be going under 443.40, in which case 441.57. Let's go check on futures really quickly. Oh, futures are falling. That would be explaining that. Upstart could possibly gap fill. How terrible would that be? What? Wait, what? We just get a $4 candle on Moderna? I just got a $4 candle on everything. Thank you, Tiger. Weird wick there on Moderna and Apple. We've been getting those. We got those, I think on Spy we got one yesterday in pre-market. Yeah. It's like just a wick. I don't think it even had a body there. is the length of this wick. An $8 wick. Good lord. Even that's a big wick. $507. Okay. I do actually have a spy put. It's 442. All right, 8 minutes still open. How are you guys doing this morning? Let me know what you guys are going to be watching. Drop them in the CJ live chat down below. I don't think we're gonna take a trade first thing in the morning, like right at open. I think we're gonna stand by. Oh my God, Apple punching lower. 171.51 needs a hold for Apple support. Yeah, SPY really dropping $3 in pre-market. Like gapped up and then just gave it all back. Upstart trying to pop again at open. Upstart contracts will take a little bit of finessing to play. I'm not going to try to play them at the open, to be honest. I think it's just going to be too hard to try to trade the direction. You just have to scalp movement back and forth. That would be really easy. But as far as like picking a direction, I don't think Upstart's going to pick a direction necessarily. More than likely, we'll just consolidate. Ooh, 44.37 on futures. Breaking that would be actually a ridiculous gap fill down. Like another like 18 bucks. We'll see. I think Moderna's going to be dropping a bit today. More than what it's done in pre-market, to be honest. SPY could very well have another, not trend day, but range day, except the range has been extended a level up because of pre-market, but it could just trade within this same range again here today. I'm not going to expect anything to change unless something happens with news. Oil and energy is up, ZOM and COP. Love that. Snap. You want me to check out Snap? Sure thing. Snap. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What's going on with Snapchat dropping like this? 38.45, tap that perfectly. We could get a bit of a gap fill back on Snapchat this morning if we're fighting over VWAP, 39.24 VWAP at open. All right, and cop. Yep. Whoa. Oil and energy were up. Well, okay, cop was up. I do like these. I do like Snapchat down here. All right, there's the bell. All right, I do kind of want to go long on some Snapchat. I want to play this this gap fill. I'm looking at 40s on Snap. All right, I can't say anything for Snapchat right now. Hold on. Snapchat needs to fight for that. All right. In Snapchat 40 calls. Snapchat 40 calls. We had snagged for a gap fill. Bit of a gap fill going on right now. Looks like we hit mental resistance right at $40. So we will add an alert for when this is going back in the money. There we go, Moderna. Moderna should be going lower. Snapchat over 40. Back under 40. So volatile. All right, we are out of our Snapchat calls from $1 to 120 on those $40 calls. That shit was really easy, man. Not gonna lie, that was pretty easy. I'm also in Moderna puts at the moment. Yay, I'm new, but Snap seems pretty predictable. Yeah. Hey, thank you, shopkeeper, for calling out Snapchat. News to affect Facebook to the downside. Yeah, let's go look at that for sure. So we had gotten filled at $1 on our Snapchat 40s just by the time that Weeble was letting me trade. That's exactly what they were at. And then had a limit at 1.2 based upon Delta that was going to be about the top of us putting that contract in the money. And we nailed it. So let me grab that. It's like, I think less than 3 minutes. All right, there we go. Boom. Attaboy, Seabass. Yeah, I like playing the gap fills like always. Gap fills are the best. Kind of the best. All right, let me know when Moderna's going under 144.50. Got no faith. Oh, Facebook rejecting VWAP right here. What's up? What's up with Sophie? Yeah, I don't know. Let's go look. Holy shit. What? What is up with Sophie? What's up? What's up with Spy? Oh. What is up, Sophie? Why is this happening? Is it getting squeezed? I don't get it. My God, blindly take calls on Sophie right now. What the heck? Snapchat calls from $1 are now up 120 on the bid, 124 on the ask. That's where I got out. I got out at 120. I was like $100. Little flip. Little flip. Oh, Moderna's looking rough. Is that the Sophie top? Oh my god. I mean, I don't want to look. I don't want to look at like actually taking a position on it, but if I was to take a position, then it would be those $13 puts. I was literally hovering over them at 0.32. Just pop 0.42. That's crazy. And those went in the money. Nice. Yeah, that was a nice little scalp on Snapchat. Upstart sympathy. Hey, that's actually a really good theory there. It's actually a pretty good theory. But Upstart like gapped up in after hours. I don't know why Sophie is just now getting to it, but I see the I see what you're saying. Here, let's actually side by side it. Yeah, as far as it running during the open, yeah. I see it. I kind of see it. My God, Moderna. Moderna has no business being up here. It should be back to 140, 142, to be honest. A really nice play on Snapchat there. Sophia's Jamal stock definitely cursed. Yeah, well done, shopkeeper, again, calling that out. Oh, we haven't looked into the financial sector at all, really, today. I don't think Upstart counts. It's one on CBS. There's a lot of chatter about it yesterday. Holy cow. Good lord. I mean, it's an aggressive looking chart, but it's really not that aggressive. From close to open, though, these contracts are up like 50, 60%. Should be able to continue up all the way to about 104.50. Yeah, those 104 calls on, or not 104, I'm sorry. Was I saying? Yes, 104 and 105 calls. The 105's a bit cheaper, but the spread's pretty bad on both of those. Don't try to trade CVS. Spread's pretty bad. 106s have a decent spread. 2-cent spread. The OI really isn't there, though. Wish a 105 spread wasn't so bad. Oh man, if Upstart crashes, it's gonna crash hard. Like 130, man, it really needs to hold that. SPY kind of having another range day, it looks. I was really hoping SPY would be able to break the range, but it might just be another range day like we were talking in pre-market. Might just be another range day. I'll look at something here. I might. Yeah, let's see. I'm wanting to go short on Moderna here. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Alrighty. Oh, well, that would make sense. Holy cow, Spy. I did actually have a spy put down here. Oh, I hate this song. I actually love that song, but it's not it's not the time. It's a country song. What did I cut that spy position for? Alright. I had to cut that on an IV spike. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna be really sad if I cut my spy put, but it's okay. I'm seeing like bearish continuation. Okay. Moderna short paid out well. Just about the last sip of coffee for the day. Beautiful. Beautiful. How you guys doing? What are you guys watching right now? Yeah, Moderna, what's up? Just whipping around. Lift, clean run yesterday. MACD divergence. Ooh. Oh. It's trading in a range right now, but it does actually kind of look like it wants to break out, to be honest. Look at that run and volume there at the end of the day. Oh, jeez. Yeah, lift over 43.55 is dangerous. Moderna possibly rejecting the 200 EMA once again. Short space. Oh, God. Oh, wow. Yeah, I was looking at going short on space and possibly Sophie. Oh, man, those would have paid fat. Those would have paid huge. Those would have paid huge. I didn't take them, but we were talking about them. Hello, YouTube. I see you guys over there. I see you, YouTube chat. What's up, Spy? Can you do it? We're getting a long signal flashing with the algorithm on space. Mind you, we're on the aggressive setting for it. Oh, futures. Oh, we are such an important spot right here on futures. If we go below 44.40, we have that test at 44.37.50, and then below there is actually like an $18 gap down. So that's pretty important, I'd say. Wow, Sophie would have been worth a hit. Those $13 puts were, I think we were talking about them at 0.3, 0.32. They're at 0.5 on the ask right now, 0.48 on the bid. Woo! So that would have been huge. Oh, yep, there it is. We just looked away for 2 seconds on futures. And futures just fell below an important level. So now we've got this like $19 gap down, unless this is just going to be like a 1 hour wick or something like that. I'm not buying it. I think we go all the way down. So we push below this wick level right here. So we have to go to 44.18. I think it's the fear with this war. Let me get like Twitter up over here. Now they're saying one of my friends has a key level on futures at 44.36.75. We're already below that. Oh, jeez. Oh, my goodness. Oh my god. Look at this Moderna flow. What? This is out of the money stuff down here. 130, 130, 130. Even the 140s are out of the money right now. These expire in 3 days? Wait, what? Wait, what? SPY's still bearish? Yeah, we're under support right now. We're running towards 441.57. So looking at Bank of America earlier, somebody's asking me to go check again on it. Bank of America popped and then immediately gave it back. We do have pre-market highs from yesterday and high of day yesterday. And pre-market low there. Looking at Activision needed to move up a bit more. Well, the good thing about Activision is a lot of their executives are no longer doing business there, which is great because they were dealing with a pretty hefty lawsuit. Hey, I think they technically are still dealing with it, but also their main source of income through Call of Duty, Warzone, they just released a new update. I think it was like 2 days ago, 3 days ago, and it's a really solid update. And there's a lot of people making purchases in the game, so that's great for Activision. However, Activision still in the midst of this suit is terrible. It's crazy. Ooh. That's a bearish version of a double top here. So what we have here, so this was like kind of like a bullish little double bottom, how we had a low point over our previous low. But here we had wicked up, still well under pre-market highs. And here we just kind of topped off below that point as well. So we're ending up, what we're going to end up, there we go, words. What we're going to end up making is a flag of sorts, and it's looking like it's a bearish flag. We'll take it to that lower high. Love me some geometric shapes. Wonder how stubby we can make this without deviating. Like that. Structure rendered useless if Moderna pumps over 149.47. If we get over that, 149.50, we'll call. It'll be a new high day, new session high. So if we get over that, then this kind of triangle is rendered worthless. Oh, everything trying to come back right now, huh? Sophie, except Activision. Sophie, big green candle. Moderna, big green candle. Spy trying to kind of pick up a bit here. I wonder what Apple's doing. Let's go look at Apple. Yeah, it just looks like on Activision, we're just going to have a bearish continuation. Apple on its way to double bottom here. Could be an inverse cup building up on the 3. Definitely something to watch out for. I kind of want to extend this up just to like capture these wick tops and push this one down a little bit and then move this in and up and grab those wicks a little better. There we go. So we got that wick and then this wick and that wick. Again, structure's kind of worthless if we push over this already like session high of day. Interesting. What a fun little day so far. Oxy? No, I'm all out of Oxy actually. Ashley, I'm all out. I actually don't do Oxy. Good lord, his whip. Still holding the structure currently. Yeah, there's a lot of volume on Oxy. As much as yesterday, though. Oh, what's going on here? Bit of a gap fill from yesterday's pre-market. Nice. Just need to hold yesterday session highs, 40-40 essentially. That level makes sense. That 4106 level makes sense, seeing where we close on Monday. Yeah, look at Monday levels, Ashley, on Oxy. Structure and a structure do kind of have a little bit of a bull flag here on the 3-minute within this. But I don't care about that. I just want to see if this random triangle that I seemingly drew on my chart ends up holding true. As far as us pinching price action tighter and tighter. That puts us below the 200 EMA and VWAP at pivot area. I just want to see I just want to see why this is happening. Mind you, I got more Moderna puts. Like I'm part of this. Like I'm with this. I have 140. Actually, I rolled my 140 puts to 145 puts. As a matter of fact, I had two 140s that were a little down, and I rolled them to the 145s. And I have a 143 put as well. And I can't wait to go all the way in the money on both of those. I want to see these 130 guys in the money. But look at the flow. This was at the open yesterday, right before the close. This is not like a small amount of money either. It's $250,000. 300, yeah, 290,000, 260, 300, 215, 147. Yeah, like that's a lot of money. And they expire Friday. Like, what? There's a lot of money on this to go the other way. Spy 44 340 is pretty important, I'd say. I mean, it's half of the gap from that huge red candle, but yesterday it was a pretty important level. Can somebody confirm a fact for me? Um, I heard that the brown spots on bananas help fight cancer. Can somebody confirm that? Chat. Any banana experts in here? Tigris. Banana bread. Uh. Can neither confirm nor deny. Well, this is gonna make me sound 5, but I hate the brown spots on bananas. And but since my fiance told me that, I've been forcing myself to eat them. And I like it can't be for nothing. It can't be for nothing. Like, oh my god, if I find out like 5 years from now that like that was a myth, I'm gonna be so pissed. Like I've been eating 5 years worth of brown spots on bananas just to find out that it was a myth. Oh my god, you sit on a throne of lies. Multivitamin has the same vitamins, yeah, I believe that. Vitamins, H2O, and exercise. Yeah. Brown spots are for banana bread. I know. Or banana pudding. Hey, this seemingly random triangle that we drew on the chart here is actually playing out. It's really just a wedge. That's all we drew. Or a pennant. It wasn't like necessarily, actually, it might be pretty freaking accurate. Hold on. So that is a $5. So what's our point here? Ooh, that is pretty close. We are about, what is that, like 26 cents off from this thing being dead on the money as far as like a wedge. Yeah, it's the texture of those spots. I don't. I don't know if you heard me, Ashley, but look at Monday's levels for Oxy. Thank you, shopkeeper. I am forwarding that to her right now. All right, that is the first and last brown spot I ever have to eat on a banana ever again. I'm texting her this right now. And you know how like on an iPhone you can like put like exclamation points like when you send messages? What's it like, what I forget, what is it called? When it's like the actual exclamation points, but I sent that with exclamation points, that screenshot. Yeah, it has had a lot of volume, not as much as yesterday. It's filled a lot of the gap. Yesterday's high was like our support level today that we picked off of. But as far as like that Monday close is what we're dealing with right now. Like these Monday levels around like 41.17 to about 41.07. It's like a little box that we're kind of stuck dealing with right now. So, but we're over VWAP, we're over 200 EMA, so we're looking pretty good. Nice, Moderna. What's up? What's up? Seeing how we came down and then formed this would end up being a bearish. This would be bearish. And all we'll do for this is we'll take a pole that's the same length, stick it on the end. It could go either way, right? Like we can put one up here as well. So we're either hitting yesterday's low, no, not all the way down there, but 142 or 153 once we actually pick a decision. All right, I am eating around this brown spot, and I don't feel bad. Take that. Where's Paul? Why isn't Paul in here? Keys is in here. Keys has been in here a lot. So is Texas. Texas and Keys have been in here, I think, every single episode. If you guys have been in here every single episode that I've done, I think Tigress might be as well. You're damn right, said Keys. So big shout out to you guys for always showing up and showing out. I love y'all. Oh, not you, Tigress. That wasn't for you. Because you've missed one. Swerve. You get in the zone on doing DD when kids are at school? Nice, yeah. I feel that. Man, I can't wait to have kids. Oh my god. Wedding in November, and if the honeymoon is good enough, then we should be having kids, not too long after. Because I'm 25. I'm 25. Man, the one thing I want in this world is to be a dad. That's it. I've already got like the world's greatest dad T-shirt and everything. I've got like 5 of them actually. I didn't buy them. Like they were given to me. You love being a mom. You have 4. Oh. Yeah, I want to have like at least 2 kids. I want to have several though. If I'm being honest, I want to have some farm hands, some free little child laborers, Kids are the best, but wait till you trade with 3 of them running around. Oh man. You can have mine, says Nate. Oh, what's up, Nate? Oh man. I didn't know Nate was in here. Nate's a good dude as well. Stay-at-home dad with a 6-year-old girl, 9-month-old baby with a badass sugar mama. That's awesome. Yeah, I can't wait. It's scary though. It is scary, like the thought of it, but I really that's like all I want kind of in life. So we've gotten some good levels here on Spy today. I'm really digging this. I am really digging these levels. She makes me do house chores. It's not, man. I was like, oh man, that sounds like the deal there, Keys. It's not. It is not the deal, huh? Oh man. Not fun. Keys, bro. You're killing me, dude. Oh man. Ugh. Trophy dads in the house. That's why I trade to pay for the cleaning lady, says Nate. Oh my lord. I just had like a family dinner last night, and my little sister was like, I'm wanting to start my own business. And I just like looked at her and was just so proud of her. And she was like, yeah, like she worked for like she's young or she's 22, 21, 21. 21 or 22. Wow, I'm a bad brother. She's 21. And she had worked for like a cleaning company and they would go like clean houses and stuff like that. And I think it's at some point they were overstaffed and they like had to let her go or whatever. And she was like, I want to start my own cleaning company, blah blah blah. And I was just like so happy for her. I was like, okay, like, do you want to be an LLC? Do you want to be an S corp? You can go to IRS.gov right now. You can file for your EIN right now. You can go ahead and get set up, and then you can start sending out invoices and this, that, and the other. Completely overwhelmed her, but I was just so proud of her. But if you guys need cleaning, 3 to 6 months, given her business model is somewhat sustainable, maybe maybe I have a plug for you guys. They're you trophy dads. I get to hang with all the moms at the bus stop, and my son brings the game for me. Oh my gosh. Keys, bro. That is the life, though, to be honest, man. Look at this wedge just holding firm. My God, space just dropped. It was that pre-market double bottom. As soon as it flushed, it just like a rock, man. Whew. Other than Moderna shorts, which I'm actually swinging with a flow. I think we talked about SPY puts. We also talked about ES levels on the way to 44.18. Sophie, I did call out those $13 puts. Those were great. Great return. Small account is out of cash for the day, so I wasn't able to get in with you guys, but those I was thinking about taking good faith hit to go scalp those. I was like, ah, man, probably shouldn't do that. Off to school, drop off. Catch you later. All right, Nate. Oh yeah, you're West Coast. That's right. Forgot. It's already 10:30 here. Gotta run. Thanks and have a great day. Yeah, you too, John. Yeah, hey, before you go, if you guys ever have any questions, just at me in this chat or in the options room, and I'm more than willing to get to your questions. Just make sure you at me, and I'll actually get a notification on my phone. So don't be shy. Thanks for tuning in, those of you who have and got to run out. All my trophy dads taking their kids to school and their badass Chrysler minivans. I don't know what you guys drive, but hopefully you guys are getting the Dodge Hellcat minivan. That is for trophy dads, by the way. We are not done, Red. We are not done. No, no, no. We're going to 11. It's a 2021 Honda Odyssey, bro. Oh my god. You guys are killing me. Let's go check Twitter and see if Russia's invading Ukraine. Only. Oh shit. 5 hours ago, Russian troops moved from holding areas to more aggressive launch areas. It's sad that I gotta go to Twitter to get this kind of news. Like, I literally, like, quote me on that. Like, let's go to Twitter and see if Russia's invading Ukraine yet. Oh my god. Cyber attack, Russia, crypto and oil. I just like conspiracy theories. Oh, yeah. Marathon chugging. Yeah, I was calling out futures, oil futures yesterday on the dip. Those are crazy. They're paying heavy. Can I not collapse the symbol anymore? There we go. What? Whatever. Put this 145 put in the money on Moderna. Come on, quit playing. Well, war in the metaverse, anyways. Ethereum made by a Russian Decentraland made by 5 Russians thinking outside the box. What have I played today? I've played. Did we play? What the hell was it? Sorry. On the small account, we did Snapchat what's it called? Yeah, $40 calls. In at 9.32 at $1 and out at 120. Oh, it didn't give my fills? In at 1, out at 1.2. Why didn't it give my fills there? We've got the timestamps, so I'll show you guys. QQQ. All right, let's go look at that. What's going on? Ugh. Looking like SPY. It's under VWAP right now. I'm ready for you to collapse, Moderna. I'm ready if you are. Could possibly see close to 140, or not 149, 349, depending on. Yeah, this type of movement is typically indicative of a breakdown. Watch SPY with it as well. We are ready, Moderna. Ooh, space had a nice little double bottom here. Snap in space, Red Velvet. Snap in space, as well as Sophie. Sophie puts, snap calls. We were right here on those space puts, about 13.10. Take it back to the money. But I do have this this support level here at 1287 that we were able to flush. Moderna's getting ready. Oh, Sophie chugging back. If we can get over that wick level here, Sophie could very well go retest high of day. Yep, there it is. Yeah, I'd be looking for Sophie calls here. Those $13 calls. Back for a high of day test. Yep, those are hitting. Those are hitting. It was a 0.4 on those. There we go. There we go, Sophie. Those $13 calls flirting with the money here. I am ready for you, Moderna. I am ready. Sophie moving well. Nice. If you guys took those $13 calls in the money. .4 fill. Looking for a 0.5 exit. 0.45 conservative exit. 0.45 already got filled. $13.07 break. Sold the house and kidneys for this call. Was just about to ask where you'd like to take profits. Yeah, I'd like to see a big double top here at 13.16. Come on, Moderna. Pretty low volume day on Moderna, to be honest. It's 145 puts on Moderna. That's what we're looking at. Look for a double top there on space. SPY rejecting VWAP. These Moderna puts have the most potential out of anything today. I'm on 13.07. There we go. 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 All right. Possible area to start taking profit on Sophie calls. Pfizer? Yeah, let's go look. Oh, boy. Short signal on the algo on Pfizer. Sophie exit at 0.45. T2 at 0.5. Moderna straddling that 200 EMA VWAP right now. Getting ready for its breakout. If you guys took those Sophie calls, hell yeah. Rip it, rip it, rip it. .45 exit there on Sophie. mRNA getting ready to make its decision right now. Pivot candle. Pfizer retest VWAP 5041. Wanting to keep Moderna under 148.30. Drop those profit screenshots on Sophie if you got them. Drop them if you got them. Alternate position on Moderna 140 put 1.8. Sophie hanging on for your guys' exit at 0.45. Moderna still touching our triangle. There we go on Sophie. T2 double top at 13.16. Still a good time to take profit on Sophie calls. I definitely could have played Roblox earlier. Take profit on those Sophie calls if you got them. Take it. 0.5 secondary target on Sophie about to hit. .49 on the ask. .5 on the ask on Sophie. Secondary target hitting. 0.5. 0.5. Left one runner. Let's go. Yo, drop those screenshots if you got Sophie. .5 all filled on Sophie calls. $13 calls. Let's go, guys. Printing today. Printing, printing, printing. Moderna bringing out to the top. Not convinced on a pop unless we're like 150, like 149, like over pre-market, this pre-market level here. Switching to puts, possibly on Sophie for a reversal off double top. That's the next play. Gravestone Doji at the top on Sophie, 3-minute. All right, Sophie puts. What puts we looking at? $13 puts on Sophie. Back to VWAP. .35. I think they were 0.3 there at the top. I'm going to take them at 0.4. Profit at 0.4. Target $12.95. Pretty aggressive entry, but getting him right there at the double top there, 13.16 to now was great. About 0.05 on those entry. Money, 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 money. Let's go, Sophie. There it is. There it is. Oh my God, we're just making money in here left and right. Yeah, fill 0.29 on Sophie there. Nasty. Took half. Took half at 0.35. Nasty. All right, guys, that's all the time we have for today. I'll see you guys again next Wednesday. Big shout out to Mike for having me in here. Big shout out to all the people who are continually coming back in and supporting, participating in the live stream. Thank you all so much. Absolute banger of a day. If you guys are interested in any one-on-one training or anything like that, if you're interested in my algorithm, just send me a message and we can talk further in detail, guys. Have a good day.